Hey guys, I'm Bianca. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have some trash to treasure makeovers and a couple of DIYs to show y'all. So let's go ahead and get started. So this is the first item that I want to show y'all. I was so happy to find this because I love that wood color. It's so pretty. I like it that it's kind of whitewashed a little bit. So all I really have to do to this is clean it. You can see at the bottom it's kind of dirty, which is not a big deal. And I also wanted to measure it for y'all to show y'all or let y'all know the size of it because this is really big and it was only $2.99. Okay, so this is over 1 foot. It is 17 inches, approximately 17 inches. I don't always find, things I want. Actually, a lot of times I really don't. If you check my videos, you will see that my last thrift store makeover is a really long time ago because lately when I go, I don't really find items I like. It is always a hit or miss, always. So this time when I went, I was so happy I found this as well. So I think it's just a matter of going either like every day, every other day, I guess depending if you're actually looking for something specific. I know people who are looking for specific items, they go twice a day because there's people constantly dropping off things. So it just depends on what you're looking for. This is so pretty. Again, I love the wood color. I'm definitely gonna leave this as is and add it somewhere in my decor. This is, the candlestick was only 99 cents. So of course that was a steal. All right, then I found this nice basket. This is kind of like a wicker type basket, if that's what you call it, or at least that's what I call it. And this was $4.99. I decided to get it even though it's a little messed up on the sides right here. I like old decor with new decor, so I didn't mind that. So I really like this, and when I seen it, I grabbed it right away. It's a really big bowl. Okay, and lastly, this is actually a Pier 1 imports find that was $29.95. Obviously, I'm not going to leave it like this. It is a wine bottle holder. I picked it up for $4.99. So what I'm gonna do is definitely gonna paint it and then probably do something for spring in there, maybe flowers or something. For the lantern, all I have to do is clean it really well, as I mentioned. So I'm using this Dollar Tree spray for windows and it works really well. I always use this spray. Once I'm done with that, then I'll go and show you how I use it in my decor. On camera, it looks kind of small, but it is a really nice size lantern. What I did was just add a Dollar General planter that was only $5. And I'm stacking 2 Hobby Lobby flower pots that I've been having for a while, just to give some texture right there with that candlestick that I bought as well. For the bowl that I found, I had some ideas of what I wanted to add in there, and one of them was some small pillow hearts since it is Valentine's. So I'm just gonna freehand a heart and use it as the template for my fabric, and then I'll make 3 pillow hearts to put inside of there along with some vintage books and I believe some greenery. So to make the little pillows, all I have to do is cut out 2 hearts for 1 pillow. I have this fabric left over from Christmas and it's perfect for this because it's not too bright of a red. After that, I did iron them flat, so it's just easy to glue together. So once I align them, then I'm going to start adding strips of glue little by little. And sometimes I use the craft stick so I don't burn my fingers if it seeps out on the side. So once I finish that, I'm just going to leave a little side open so I can put it inside out, which will be the correct way, and then I'll add the stuffing. I've been traveling alone, but now there's you.
Alright, so once I do that, I leave a little area open. I'm turning it right side out, so this is the correct way, and this is where I'm going to stuff it. What I like to do is just use my nails and the craft stick, or a pencil pin, just to push out the areas and make sure it's in the correct shape of the heart. And now I'm just going to stuff it. I'm using an old pillow that I don't need anymore. The best tip for this is to go to Walmart or Target and buy the cheapest pillow, which is about $2-3, and use that instead of actually buying the pillow stuff, because that's more expensive. To close it up, I'm going to continue to use my hot glue, and what I do is just put it on the outside lip of it, basically close the two lips together. I'm sure you can tell better than my actual explanation of it. And I could have hand sewed this. I know how to hand sew, but I just thought I'd finish it off with the glue since that's how I did the whole pillow. I'm adding 3 books to this. The first 2, I actually made those a long time ago. It was a Dollar Tree DIY. And then I have this old book that I found at a thrift store. And now I'm adding some beautiful eucalyptus flowers that I actually bought from Walmart. You guys, this big bunch was only $2. Go and find them now, because I only found 4 that day that I went. While I'm at Dollar Tree, I pick up a bunch of dollar books that have the hardcover on them, and I've been using them in my decor a lot. After I finished this video, I actually found an old red vintage book that I switched out with this orangey colored yellow one. And it actually looked a little better. So it's up to you depending on what kind of books you want to style around it. But either way, it came out really nice. For this bottle holder, I'm going to use my chiffon chalk paint and paint it. I ended up doing 2 coats, but remember guys, let it dry between coats so you get that really good coverage. Now that the 2 coats have dried, I'm going to be using some Dollar Tree poster stickers to spell out fresh flowers. I always do it this way because it's easier for me to figure out where the middle is at, and then I don't stick it all the way on there and have a hard time trying to take it back off and place it where I want it to go. So these are the florals I'm using inside. I have the $2 eucalyptus from Walmart, and then I have these white roses from Michael's, and then this stem I don't remember where it's from. I start off by adding pieces of the eucalyptus first. And then I'll slowly add in the roses, and then I will add a few pieces of the yellow flowers that I showed you, or stem. And then if I need to, I'll add more of the eucalyptus around there. Just trying to see what looks good, and already I'm liking it just like this. So you don't even have to add a lot, just a few makes it look so nice. Alright you guys, so I hope you enjoyed this trash to treasure makeover as much as I did. I am so happy with the stuff that I found. I can't wait to go back again. If you are not subscribed, please consider doing so. It is completely free and it helps me out a lot. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a great weekend.